Welcome to Home Restoration at Home Restoration Experts Inc. Today, we're excited to showcase a crucial part of our exterior remodeling services, upgrading your home's gutters, fascia, and soffit. We recently completed a project where we replaced outdated gutters, fascia, and soffit with new, high-performance models. These essential components not only boost the curb appeal of your home but also enhance its structural integrity. Our top-quality gutters are designed to ensure efficient water management, diverting water away from your home to protect its foundation and landscaping. The fascia provides vital support for the gutter system and helps to secure the roof structure, while the soffit ensures proper ventilation of your roof space, reducing moisture and heat buildup. At Home Restoration Experts, we focus on quality and durability, ensuring that every element of your home's exterior is equipped to stand the test of time. Contact us today to find out how we can help protect and beautify your home with our professional remodeling services.